So, hello everyone. My name is Aman Gupta and welcome to my channel Engineers Coding Hub. So, in this SQL series, we have already discussed a lot of topics like conditional program, aggregate functions, group by, and many more. And अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है, then आप देख सकते हैं जाके. And in the last video, we have discussed about the group by, which is most important. And in this video, we will discuss about the having clause, which is most important. If we talk about the interview purpose, the having clause, अगर interviewer आपसे group by पे question कर रहा है, then he will definitely ask about the having clause because there is a very close relation between group by and having clause. So let's discuss about this. So first of all, we need to understand the what is the difference between where and having, because both दोनों ही एक जैसे ही है और दोनों ही filtering data filtering का काम करते हैं. So first we discuss about the difference. So where is used to filter row before grouping. When we used group by in our query, so it's creates some groups. We have seen the example in the last video, like we want to fetch the maximum salary in every department, so it's divide the department wise group. And so where is used to filtering the data before grouping. ये group बनाने के पहले अगर we want to filter the data before creating the group, so we need to use where clause. And having clause is used to filter group after aggregation. Like when we create the group and after that we want to filter some data. मैं maximum salary चाहता हूँ each department की, लेकिन वो salary more than something, more than 15,000 or more than 20,000. So here we need to use the having clause. We will see the example, so it will clarify to you. So this is notes. This is most important. The where clause is used to filter row before any grouping are made with the group by clause. However, if you need to filter group after the group of grouping operation, you should use the having. That is same, because where clause अगर अपन चाहते हैं कि filter करें data before creating the group, then we use the where clause. And after that, if we want to the aggregate function or group पे अगर कुछ अपन filter करना चाहते हैं, then we use the having clause. And let's see the example, so it will more clarify to you. So this is the employees table, and inside this table there is a 5 columns like ID, name, salary, department, and height. And in this example, we will also see the how to compare to string. Like if we want to filter the data on the basis of higher date, like we will compare the date. We will also learn how to compare the date in SQL. So it will very beneficial to you. So let's see the example. So the first query is SQL query to find the highest salary of each department, higher date of employee between 2019 to 2018. मतलब अपन को डेटा फिल्टर करना है, मतलब हर डिपार्टमेंट की मैक्सिमम सैलरी चाहिए, लेकिन वो एम्प्लॉय की जो हायर डेट है वो ईयर 2018 to 2019 होनी चाहिए. दिस एक कह रहा है. तो it will clarify your concept about the where and having. It will solve all the doubts between the where and having. So what is the query for this? Select department. In this, in our case, the DPT is the per department column. Okay, and then maximum salary, because we find the maximum salary of each department from table name employees where. Here we need to use the where because before grouping, अभी अपन ने grouping नहीं लगाई department. So अपन ने in the last video we have seen the order of execution, like group by का execution क्या होता है, where का execution कैसे होता है, और order by का. तो where हमेशा group by के पहले आता है. where हमेशा group by के पहले आता है, तो इधर ही where लगेगा. where date, तो higher underscore date between क्या था 2018. So it will the order of date in SQL is YYMMDD. So make sure कि आप वही order follow करें. So 2018 and 01, because first month and 01. Okay. So between, and this is most important, 2018 से 2019. So 2019 12 is last month and the last date of 21, which is this time. Okay. So this is the comparison. If you want to compare the date, तो make sure कि आप इस इन डेट सिंगल कोट में हमेशा रहे एसक्यूएल में. एंड सेकेंडली कि अगर वी वांट टू कंपेयर टू डेट्स के बीच का कोई डेटा चाहिए तो वहां अपन बिटवीन यूज कर सकते हैं. दिस इज ये मुझे बताना था. बिटवीन ये रह गया था अपन के क्लॉज में. बिटवीन इज मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट. इट इज आल्सो ऑपरेटर व्हिच इज used to filtering the data like between two dates on two string. Okay, this is. तो ये इंटीजर पे भी काम करता है. लाइक वी वांट टू बिटवीन सैलरी 2000 to 3000 के बीच की सैलरी फाइंड करना, देन यू कैन यूज द बिटवीन पेयर. ओके. सो देन group by need to use the group by here and DEPT because here we need to mention the department because अगर अपन ने select के साथ जो कॉलम लिया है वो ग्रुप बाय के साथ लगाना जरूरी है, तभी ये वर्क करेगा, अदरवाइज नहीं करेगा. ओके. जब भी अपन मेंशन ग्रुप बाय लगाएं किसी भी चीज को, वो इसे यहाँ पे आ सकती है और एग्रीगेट फंक्शन भी आ सकता है. दो चीजें ही आ सकती है. मेक श्योर कि आप ये ध्यान दें. एंड ग्रुप बाय डिपार्टमेंट, तो ये अपन को मैक्सिमम सैलरी इस डिपार्टमेंट की देगा और उनको एक्सक्लूड कर देगा जिनकी हायर डेट 2018 और 2019 के बीच में नहीं है. उनको एक्सक्लूड करेगा. इंक्लूड किसको करेगा? जिनकी हायरिंग डेट 2018 से 2019 के बीच में. एंड ग्रुप बाय डिपार्टमेंट. सो लेट्स execute in ID. Let's see the employee table first. So this is our employee table. Inside it ID, name, salary, department is hired. So write the select department because in this table name is department, not DEPT. And maximum salary because I want the maximum salary of each department from database name, then table name, employees, and then the conditional statement. The conditional statement is the pair between higher date between 2018 01 and 2019 12 31 and group by D. And let's execute it. There is something wrong, which is DEPT, not DEPT, it's a department. This is now it will return the three data like CSE में 20,000, IT में 30,000 and DX में 30,000. और इनने केवल इन्हीं को इंक्लूड किया है जिनकी हायरिंग डेट 2080 से 2090 के बीच में. तो यहाँ पे एक चीज और मैं बताना भूल गया कि इफ ये अभी मैक्सिमम सैलरी आ रहा है कॉलम का नेम. सो देयर इज अनदर क्वेश्चन व्हिच इज आस्क्ड बाय द इंटरव्यू. बहुत जगह पूछा जाता है कि aliasing इज इम्पोर्टेंट because if we want to show the data according to it, like if I want to change the name of maximum salary because ये readable नहीं लगता है कभी कभी, then we need to begin aliasing, like इसका नाम अपन change कर सकते हैं. So what is the, so मैं नाम इसका रखता हूँ max underscore salary. Let's execute it. Let's see the is it a maximum underscore salary. So aliasing के द्वारा, so what is aliasing? Aliasing it's just nothing but the we can change the column name and show the data in a readable form. So it is just a ये चीज मुझे बतानी थी. And let's be a second one and write the SQL query. Okay, so here we solve your doubt कि having clause कहाँ लगता है actually में. So SQL query to find the highest salary of each department where highest salary is greater than 15,000. Sorry, this is 50,000. Okay, so let's see the query. What is this query? So select, let's change the color first. Select, select TPT, maximum salary from employees. This place we cannot use the bear because we need to filter the data after grouping, because the salary of जो सैलरी आपकी ग्रुपिंग के बाद बनेगी हायर सैलरी वो ग्रेटर देन 15,000 होनी चाहिए. तो here we need we don't use the bear clause. Here we need to use the actually having clause का use होगा यहाँ. So group by DPT, group by के हिसाब से department, and then we use the having max salary is greater than 15,000. So operators we already covered. The conditional statement, this is also a conditional statement. So let's execute in ID, so it will more clarified. So just see the table first. This is a table. So select department and maximum salary is greater, maximum salary from employees, group by department, department, group by department, having max salary is greater than 15,000. So this is basically a having clause where we need to mention the database name. Okay, let's execute it, and you can see the result. The which is maximum salary is 15,000. So there is no data of 15,000. So we change it into a 20,000. So more than 20,000. Let's see what will happen. So it will filter the data. It will only give the maximum salary which is greater than 20,000. So it will give the ID 30,000 and EX 30,000. So this is simple and a बहुत important है इंटरव्यू के पर्पज से. हैविंग क्लोज और डिफरेंस भी कभी कभी पूछ लिया जाता है बेयर और हैविंग में. तो बेयर कहाँ लगता है? बिफोर ग्रुपिंग एंड हैविंग आफ्टर ग्रुपिंग. सो अगर आपको कंटेंट पसंद आया हो प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड बेल आइकन फॉर मोर वीडियोस. थैंक यू.